My name is Ryan Poliniak. I'm a customer account manager here at Western Computer. Let's talk about now some of the different approaches to upgrading. There are different approaches when it comes to how do we get to the newest version most effectively. Our NAV practice manager, Greg Williams, wrote a very nice white paper covering this topic. It's out on our website. I encourage everybody to go out and download it and read it. And this table is pulled from that white paper. So you've got your traditional upgrade or as-is upgrade. The idea there is you take all of your customizations, all of your data, you migrate it to the new version of NAV. There could be a lot of development there if you're on a much older version of NAV, depending on whether you're using the role-tailored client or not. That will go a long way to determining the effort involved. But the consulting effort is less because your system is going to be the same as it was, just in a new version. Then you've got on the far right, and I'll get to the one in the middle, the one on the far right is the new start, or basically setting up a new system, setting up the basics again. All of your history, for the most part, could be put into a repository like a data warehouse or even left in your legacy system to access. Master records can be brought over and setups can be brought over. But it's not really an upgrade. It's more of setting up your system kind of from the ground up. And that can be an attractive option depending on the circumstances surrounding your organization. Of course, there's going to be some decent effort there to get it set up again, but nonetheless, it can make sense. And finally, the one in the middle is the Western Computer Fresh Start Upgrade. That's where we take a brand new NAV 2017 system, we upgrade all of the data, but we leave all of the customizations behind. And there are many reasons that could drive a customer to do something like this, primarily if most of your customizations are no longer in use and they're just clouding up your database and making upgrades more expensive. So typically what we'll do is we'll take all the data forward and then one by one put any customizations back in that need to be done, and of course put those into the new extension model. And at the end of the day, the goal is to get everybody onto a system that's very easy to upgrade going forward so that the cost of this initial upgrade can be spread out over several years or over the life cycle of your ERP system. Incremental upgrades are going to be much, much, much easier and less expensive than going from a much older version to the current version of NAV now. At the end of the day, we'll help all of you determine which one of these is best through a consultative effort. It's going to depend on a lot of unique circumstances. That concludes today's video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all latest video releases. Thanks for watching.